Enchanted fiber.
Enchanted fibers. We have a double enveloping today.
Oh,
Oh my God.
I don't want to.
Enchanted Fiber is one of our newer stores from all the way down in Cape May. So I'm dying to see what they got. Oh my God.
They are very secure. It is hermetically sealed.
What is in there?
I saw it first.
Oh! Hope Enchanted Fiber delivers.
Yes. Those are beautiful.
They are
Look at
beautiful.
these.
Hopemade Yarn Company. JoJo sock. Oh my God, that's so pretty.
They're adorable.
All right, we're moving on.
Okay.
We're moving on. Thank you, Hopemade Yarn. Oh, goodness. And this is from Myra in Woolbearers, who dyes her own yarn. Not one of our newer stores, and one of our bigger stores in
An
Mount
envelope
Holly.
within an envelope.
Myra. Wait, but there's more. Oh, look at that. Oh, Myra. You didn't have to do that. I'm glad you did. Oh.
Oh, these are so nice. What a nice set to get together on the same day.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Myra. Thank you, Enchanted
labels are
Fibers.
nice.
Oh, there you go.
Nice.
Woolbearers. Wished. Oh, we cheated. We cheated.
We did. We
Okay.
had pre-opened.
Oh my goodness. Marianated.
The appetizer bauble. That's so cute.
Wait, look at the
I didn't
colors.
even look at it before, how it goes around the outside of that ball.
Oh, there's different colors. Oh,
They
look.
are adorable.
Wait, there's different colors.
I have a million ornaments on my tree, but I don't have this one.
Look at this color. You do your color, I'll do my own. Look at that. Oh, all different colors. Oh my goodness. Marianated. Thank you. It's Christmas in March. Oh, that was so nice of you. All the stores are going to get
They are
a little
so adorable.
appetizer bauble. Oh my God. Thank you.